thinking about applying for the American Express Green Credit Card. This card offers valuable rewards for travel and transit spending. The American Express Green Card is a mid-tier travel rewards card. It focuses on travel, transit, and dining categories. You earn 3 points per dollar on travel, transit, and dining purchases. You also earn 1 point per dollar on everything else. The card has a $150 annual fee, but it comes with valuable statement credits. You get $100 for Lounge Buddy and $100 for Clear Plus credit. That is up to $200 in annual credits, which more than offset the fee. To apply for the Amex Green Card, visit the American Express website. Click on the Travel Cards section and find the Green Card. Check your pre-qualification status first. This does not affect your credit score. You need a good credit score of 690 or higher to qualify. You also need a steady income. American Express considers your payment history and credit utilization. If approved, you receive your card in 7 to 10 business days. Activate the card online by creating your online account. Then add the card to your digital wallet and start earning rewards immediately. Use your green card for all travel bookings, transit passes, and dining out. This maximizes your 3 points per dollar earnings. Pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more credit card tips.